Welcome to a tutorial of a dreaded topic, which is the minor scales. First of all, write the lesson name of the last notes for each of the clef. For treble clef, this will be C, bass clef E, alto clef D, and finally tenor clef B. Next, we have A sharp, C sharp, C, E, G, B sharp, C, E, G sharp. Next, we look at the scales to see if the accidentals are in sharp or flat. D minor is a flat scale, F minor, flat scale, E minor, sharp scale, and C minor, also a flat scale. So here we have a sharp. If it's a sharp, then it's the only option here that we have is D minor. The key signature for E minor would be F sharp. Moving on to the next question. C minor is a flat scale, E minor sharp scale, D minor flat scale, and B minor sharp scale. The scale that we have here is a flat scale, and now we'll take a look at the possible options for a flat scale. We have a flat on the 6th note, so it's quite possibly a harmonic minor scale. We'll write down the key signature, which is B flat, E flat, and A flat. That's the name of a descending scale. So C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C. There's a flat on A and a flat on E. The 7th note is raised, therefore there's a B natural here. And this is the answer. Let's take a look at the other option, which also comes in a flat scale. If it was a D minor, let's write down the letter name of this descending scale. First of all, we'll list the key signature, which is only B flat. And now the scale: D, C, B flat, A, G, F, E, D. If this was a harmonic scale, then C would be raised to C sharp. And yet, we can see that here, there is no C sharp. Moving on to the next question. Here we have A sharp minor. Let's write an ascending scale in letter names for A sharp minor. We'll begin with the key signature. A sharp minor shares the key signature as C sharp major. So key signatures would be F, C, G, D, A, E, and B sharp. And now the scales: A sharp, B sharp, C sharp, D sharp, E sharp, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp. G is the 7th note, therefore it should be raised to G double sharp, but here we can see that it's not, and there is no sharp for the E. Hence, it is not the answer that we're looking for. So we'll move on to C sharp minor. The key signature would be F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, and D sharp. And the scales: C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp, A, B, C sharp. The 7th note of C sharp minor would B sharp, and the 6th note would be A sharp. So here we can determine that it's a melodic minor. As we can see here, every note has a sharp except for E. So this is the answer that we're looking for. It's a C sharp melodic minor. B sharp minor is way too complicated for grade 5, so we'll go straight to G sharp minor. The key signature for G sharp minor is F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp, and A sharp, and ascending scale G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and now the accidentals G sharp, followed by A sharp, B natural, C sharp, D sharp. The 6th note is F sharp. The 7th note, it should have been F double sharp. But when we look at the scale given here, the F is not raised to a double sharp. That's why it's not the answer that we're looking for. When in doubt, make a list. That's all for today's tutorial, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye!